So hello everybody again. This time we're doing about lesson 2.2, substitution. Let's start. Lesson 2.2, substitution. Equations have different values depending on what numbers you substitute for the variables. For example, let's say casual waiters get paid $5 per hour. You can write an expression to represent everyone's wages like this: 5H, where H is the number of hours worked. If you work 1 hour, then you get paid 5 times 1 is $5. So the expression 5H has a value of $5 in this case. If you work 6 hours, you get paid 5 times 6, which is $30. The expression 5H has a value of $30 in this case. So evaluate means to find the value of. Let's do some worked examples. Worked example 3. Given that A equals 2 and B equals 8, evaluate AB. 3B minus 2A. 2AB. 2A to the power of 3, or 2A cubed. Or 2A, open bracket, A plus B, close bracket. So the answer to question A is AB equals A times B. So you put back the multiplication sign. Substitute the values for A and B, which is 2 times 8, and calculate the answer, 16. So 3B minus 2A, the first step you do, put back the multiplication signs, which is 3 times B minus 2 times A. The next step is to substitute the values for A and B, which is 3 times 8 minus 2 times 2. Use the order of operations rules, times before minus, which is 24 minus 4, and calculate the answer, which is 20. So 2A cubed means 2 times A cubed. And next, substitute the value for A, which is 2. Work out 2 cubed first, grouping symbols first, which is 8, and the answer is 16. So 2A, A plus B, is first step, put back the multiplication signs. So it's 2 times A plus B. Next step, substitute the values for A and B. 2 times 2 times 2, 2 times 2 times open bracket, 2 plus 8 close bracket. In this case, you can carry out the 2 steps at the same time. Multiplication outside the bracket and the addition inside, which is 4 times 10. Calculate the answer. So 4 times 10 is 40. Worked example 4. For each of the shapes in the diagram below, write an expression for the perimeter of each shape. Find the perimeter in centimeters if x equals 4. So for A, the expression for the perimeter is x plus x plus x plus x, which is 4x. And find the perimeter in centimeters if x equals 4, which is 4 times 4 is 16 centimeters. Next, 3x plus x squared, 3x plus open bracket x squared plus 1 close bracket, plus 3x plus open bracket x squared plus 1 close bracket equals 2 open bracket 3x close bracket plus 2x squared plus 1. So if x equals 4, then we have this expression. Now substitute 4 into that expression, which is 2 times 3 times 4. 2 times open bracket 3 times 4 close bracket plus 2 times open bracket 4 squared minus 1 close bracket. 4 squared plus 1 close bracket. So first of all, 3 times 4 equals 12, and 4 squared equals 16. So it's 2 times 12 plus 2 times open bracket 16 plus 1. And then the next step is to add 16 and 1 and multiply 2 with 12, which is 24 and 17. So the equation becomes, the expression becomes 24 plus 2 times 17. 2 times 17 is 34, so 24 plus 34 gives us our answer, 58 centimeters. And for C, x plus 3 plus x plus 4 plus 2x. As you can see here, x plus 3 plus x plus 4 plus 2x. Add them together. And then the answer. So add the three ones together and then substitute 4 into the expression, which is 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 times 4. 2 times 4 is 8, and 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 8 equals 23. Work example 5. Complete this table of values for the formula b equals 3a minus 3. Substitute in the values of a to work out b, which is 3 times 0 minus 3 equals 0 minus 3, which is negative 3. 3 times 2 minus 3 equals 6 minus 3, which is 3. 3 times 4 minus 3 equals 12 minus 3, which is 9. And 3 times 6 minus 3, which equals to 18 minus 3, equals 15. So this is the complete table of values for the formula b equals 3a minus 3. Okay, now we're on to the exercises. Finally. Question 1. Evaluate the following expression for x equals 3. So the questions are 3x. The expressions are 3x, 10x, 4x minus 2, x cubed, 2x squared, 10 minus x squared plus 7, x cubed plus x squared, 2 open bracket, x minus 1 close bracket, 4x over 2, 6x over 3, 90 over x, 10x over 6, and open bracket 4x plus 2 close bracket over 7. Question number 2. What is the value of each expression when a equals 3 and b equals 5 and c equals 2? ABC, a squared b, 4a plus 2c, 3b minus 2 open bracket a plus c close bracket, a squared plus c squared, 4b minus to A plus C. AB plus BC plus AC. 2 open bracket AB close bracket squared. 3 open bracket A plus B close bracket. Open bracket B minus C close bracket plus open bracket A plus C. Open bracket A plus B close bracket open bracket B minus C close bracket. 3BC over AC. 4B over A plus C. 4B squared over BC. 2 open bracket A plus B over C squared. 3ABC over 10A. 6B squared over A plus C squared. 6B squared over open bracket A plus C squared. Open bracket open bracket half ABC close bracket squared. So, question 3. Work out the value of y in each formula when x equals 0, x equals 3, x equals 4, x equals 10, and x equals 50. So here are the formulas. Y equals 4x. Y equals 3x plus 1. Y equals 100 minus x. Y equals x over 2. Y equals x squared. Y equals 100 over x. Y equals 2, open bracket, x plus 2, close bracket. Y equals 2, open bracket, x plus 2, close bracket, minus 10. And y equals 3x cubed. Question number 4. A sandwich costs $3 and a drink costs $2. Write an expression to show the total cost of buying X sandwiches and Y drinks. Find the total cost of 4 sandwiches and 3 drinks, 20 sandwiches and 20 drinks, 100 sandwiches and 25 drinks. The formula, question number 5. The formula for finding the perimeter of a rectangle equals P equals 2, open bracket, L plus B, close bracket, where L represents the length and B represents the breadth of the rectangle. Find the perimeter of a rectangle if the length is 12 centimeters and the breadth is 9 centimeters. The length is 2.5 meters and the breadth is 1.5 meters. The length is 20 centimeters and the breadth is half as long. The breadth is 2 centimeters and the length is the cube of the breadth. So remember to use the correct units of measurements. Question number 6. Find the value of the expression n squared plus n plus 41 when n equals 1, n equals 3, n equals 5, and n equals 10. What do you notice about all your answers? Why is this different when n equals 41? So, that's the end of this lesson. Thank you and goodbye.